My name is Mary Donohoe. I'm the General Manager for Education at Downer, and I've been here for about 18 months. In our type of work, especially within health and education, we get to know our teams and our clients on the ground particularly well. One of the great things about working with the teams at Downer is that you work with people who've come from a variety of different backgrounds, different experiences. And within our teams, we're always looking to make sure that we are able to pull on those different experiences. But to do that, people need to feel that it's a safe workplace, that they feel respected, that their ideas will be heard. I think leadership plays a very important role in the development of culture in our organisation. And I'm sure there's many people who've experienced poor examples of leadership and seeing that infiltrate cultures and create quite toxic work environments. And that's why it's so important to model the behaviours that you want to see within your workplace. I think a good team enjoys coming to work. They've got complementary skill sets that they can learn from one another. They've got areas to develop. And that's what I really love about coming to work at Downer, is that there's so many opportunities to learn here and develop your leadership skills as well. Teamwork is really important because it gets to a point where some of our projects that we work on are just too large for a single person to do it. You can't possibly have all of the skills required to do some of the very complex engineering projects that we work on. And that's why the teams are so important. To try and make sure everybody feels valued and connected in the team, I take the time to get out to our sites, make sure I'm meeting people at the school sites and at the universities as well, spending time just having a conversation with them, but also understanding what it's like day to day for them at that particular workplace. Within health and education, we've had a programme of Open Talk running, I think for about 12 months. That's been a really excellent programme where our capability and transformation team have gone out, taught the team how to work with each other respectfully. I'm very happy with the way that the Open Talk programme has been received by our teams. I've noticed that they're much more open to discussing problems with each other. There's a lot more trust between one another around, I can accept that feedback from you, knowing that you'll also accept feedback from me too, and then they can resolve issues amongst themselves. What I would say to the people that I work with at Downer, don't be afraid to stand up for one another. I've seen so many improvements within our line of business as a result of people taking the time to listen to each other, be respectful, but also to stand up for one another as well.